Hello everyone. Today, we will take a look at the DIY proof of concept project, Low Cost Pulse Driver Circuit for Solenoids and Coils, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. The link to the project is in the description of this video. Have you ever thought about how a pinball machine makes that sharp, satisfying clack sound when you hit a button? That sound comes from something called a solenoid. It's like a tiny metal hammer that moves when it gets power. Think about pressing a button to send power to the solenoid while playing the game. You need to press the button and release. This circuit will always send just a short burst of power, just enough to make the solenoid move. Then it stops. It doesn't matter how long you press the button. This helps stop the solenoid from getting too hot. It also uses less power, and because the circuit is small, it fits nicely in things like pinball machines. This project can be developed by electronics hobbyists, engineering students, DIY makers, and junior design engineers who have basic knowledge of electronic components and circuit building. It's especially suitable for those working on projects involving solenoid, such as pinball machines or coil guns. With common tools and readily available parts, this project is suitable for learning, prototyping, or integrating into simple electromechanical systems. Let us see the demonstration first. This is our setup. We have given this switch for easy demonstration. On pressing the switch, the motor runs randomly. Over here, a buzzer is used in place of a motor just for representation purposes. Amazing, right? But how to make this? You can make this with very few components. Let's take a look. The LM7805 voltage regulator IC changes 12 volts to a stable 5 volts for other parts. A 600 mA slow-blow fuse protects the circuit from too much current. Push-to-on switch lets you manually test the circuit by sending a signal. PC817 optocoupler IC safely passes the input signal without direct connection. The CD4093 quad NAND gate IC controls timing and creates a short output pulse. IRLZ44 MOSFET acts like a switch to power the solenoid. Resistors limit the current going into different components like MOSFET, LED, etc. 1N4007 diodes stop voltage spikes when the solenoid turns off. 1N4148 diode protects the signal line with a fast response. 5 mm LED lights up when the solenoid is active for easy testing. Capacitors smooth the signal and remove small noises from the circuit. 12-volt DC solenoid moves when it gets the pulse, used for mechanical action. Apart from these, a breadboard and a few jumper wires are used. To assemble the circuit, follow the circuit diagram. Arrange all the components, including the IC, switch, optocoupler, NAND gate IC, MOSFET, resistors, capacitors, diodes, LED, and solenoid, on the breadboard. Follow the circuit diagram to assemble the circuit. Once the circuit is assembled, power up the circuit. On pressing the switch, the motor runs randomly. Voila, it works. What did you learn? How to use a monostable circuit with AND and gate to make a timed pulse. How to save power with a smart driver circuit. Interested in developing your own pulse driver circuit? Then click on the link provided in the description of this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.